Hi.
Are you bitching and complaining?
No, not yet. I am, because I got shit in my... No. Say it and I'll smash your toes.
I didn't do nothing.
I know. I saw your face. I saw the gears moving.
I don't know. Ooh, access list. Anyway.
You see what?
What are you doing?
I am taking the upper control arm off first,
Upper link.
so we can start getting the bushings pressed out on that thing while I get the rest of the, brake lines off. The new helper, she did a good job and clean the housing.
Nice. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. That's together. That's together. It's not 13/16. If that wrench doesn't fit, it's probably 7/8.
Oh, how you think I got it loose?
I don't know. Get back to work again, cause I love you. He's gonna beat me with a wrench.
I am today. I am.
You'd be surprised. Oh, there it goes. Now remember the way that was in, because that
I
adjusts
do
the
not
pinion
remember the way it is in. It was in that way. So that's something to worry about once, it goes to lemon shop.
No,
Or
because we
Mr.
set the pinion angle here. Thank you, come again. That thing is in there, bud.
No way. I mean, I would hope so. That's how it's staying in.
Look at that. Alright, so you just gotta flip it and out it comes, eh?
There. You're a dick. Why are you being a Bobby?
Just take a punch and knock the bolt out.
So the punch can get stuck in there?
Well, the punch is easier to get out than the bolt.
Don't mind his retardedness.
Good kid.
Scotty,
I like to irritate Bernsey when he's...
come and get your CEO before I
I'm sorry,
Motherfucker. I didn't get that memo. What the hell? Damn it.
Can't fire me because I quit.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
Can somebody turn that fan off, please? That's my name. What was that at?
That's his name, don't wear it out. People swabble with
what
it.
happens when cars unfortunately rusty.
Rusty, crusty, nasty.
Oh, get that back. Oh, that didn't work.
It's a battle.
Well,
So what are we trying to do?
I'm just trying to get the stupid bolt out.
There you go. 'Cause now you can maybe wiggle the bolt. 'Cause all those hard lines are coming out anyway. 'Cause they are done.
That scared the F out of me right now.
You scare the F out of me.
You need to shut up.
At least you're pretty.
Ish.
I told Bernsey at least he's pretty, Scotty. Scotty's got a hammer and you have 2 pry bars. I should be terrified right now.
So we hit him now or later.
Are you beating it like it owes you money?
Ah. Do that. You're gonna have to hold the rear end.
I bet if you pull the panhard bar off, you can rock it here. Ooh, there it goes. Most people pay money to watch videos of 2 men beating off. Sander's like, Jesus.
Thank God Sanders doesn't want shoes.
Come in through here.
She'd have to learn how to use the internet first.
No, come in through here. Now push. No. There we go.
It's
I
a bad
figured it
one.
would. It's not going to turn. It's
Yeah,
just
the
not.
housing moves. Is it slotted? There you go. Ooh, axles.
Need help. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Ooh, pretty. Nice job. Antonio, you're the man. Don't tell nobody. Bitchin'. Okay, so now back to the fight. Xander, go hunt some bolts. We need to get that valve cover on. I know we have bolts somewhere. We'll get that done. Get this beaten apart. Jesus, this chick chow.
Hand me the small one. Thank you.
Look at that little thing. That thing's cute.
Try it again
Alright, like this.
to make it rock. Yep. Go ahead.
There you go. Remember when I said stick a punch in there?
You know how much easier it is to get that out than it
Rock
is.
the.
I agree. There you go, there you go, there you go.
You got too much pressure on it.
The problem is,
Close.
where's the other one?
You gotta go up and around. Ding! Fries are done! Alright, Scott, now pull that out.
Put a fucking punch in there. At least you get a handle on that one.
You're gonna have to come in through here and pop it.
There he goes. Alright.
Back.
Look at that! Coming along. Good job, Mr. Burns.
How many mechanics does it take to undo a screw?
This many?
Well, when things are rusty crusty and they don't want to work and they have too much load on them.
Here's the fun part. Top bolts.
Dad,
Yes.
where's the thing that you guys were trying to get out?
Okay, if we get this panhard bar off, you'll be able to rock the housing back.
I don't want to take the pattern on bar off.
I understand
Because we don't have, first of all, I'm not laying on my back right now
Yeah.
to have this thing on jack stands. The reason why we're doing one at a time is so I can put that back, basically tighten it up, and this doesn't want to fall out. I know the shocks are basically extended, so they shouldn't come out, but better safe than sorry.
Yep.
I'm just saying the panhard bar's pushing that forward.
Well,
If you
I'm
undo
going
the
to
bar-
tell you right now that we're going to be fighting the upper bolts first.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wrong way. It's the wrong up. This is a long video. There you go. Bang that hammer. There you go. Nice, Burnsy. Good job.
Thanks, Scotty.
Good work. You know what we can do to make room for you, Burnsy? Because we're putting headers on this thing. You can take the sawzall and cut the exhaust off up there and get all this out, if you'd like. Because this is all going in the trash, because we're redoing the exhaust.
Well, right now,
Oh,
So it can
if
sound...
we did it here,
and got rid of that, it'd make your access easier, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It would be a lot easier.
Riley,
Yeah.
Can you get the Sawzall, please, sweetie?
we got a chore for you.
Yay!